Hey guys, today we're kicking off a new initiative, the Get Goo'd for Good Challenge, fundraising initiative for the Pikes Peak YMCA and specifically for their fundraising for their military children and family programs. If you choose to participate in this fun initiative, you could be entered to win prizes for Double Dare Live at the Pikes Peak Center November 3rd, including 4 tickets to Double Dare Live at the Pikes Peak Center, opportunity to meet show hosts Mark Summers and Robin Rousseau, and the possibility of being a contestant on the live show at the Pikes Peak Center. For more information or to donate to the YMCA, click on the link above. Alright, to officially kick it off, I'm challenging the Pikes Peak YMCA and all of our local media outlets here in Colorado Springs, Colorado to get Goo'd for good. Alright guys, everyone have a good time. Challenge your family, your friends, businesses, co-workers, whoever out there to donate to the YMCA. And remember, Double Dare Live is coming to Pikes Peak Center November 3rd. Have fun.